Retnik Beats. Guys may not be used to seeing me on crutches, but I'm here in Half a Tree side. This is a different style of vlog actually. Like, I'm not on a bike today. I'm actually on foot, as you can see, limping. Going to actually buy a pants. Buy one pants and then take a bus, go back up to Kansas Spring Road. Yeah, but this is Twin Gates Plaza for those who don't know. Yeah, so we're going to go in a Car Beats. We're going a Car Beats. Alright, that's all. And buy a pants. I look for a skinny fit 32, so 34, these are 34, oh wait, 32 then there. 32, big for 32 though. I kind of like the material that's stuck home. Skinny fit. 32. Yeah. That's it. That's how I shop. Know where me I go for? Just go feet. And that is it. Black pants. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Cash it, but I want to see inside of the store. I don't want to video nobody face and thing. Yeah.
Oh, the stuff them are like brown sexy, you know, other type of stuff.
Glasses. I got like Hudson. So even though that's actually, even though the pants are 32, you know, so it have to take in. Yeah, take in for your man.
3,100.
Straight German. Thank you. Oh, the pants.
did that already, so you hear?
You did it already?
Yeah, I can't gonna leave it to you.
And come back and get it? Okay. Alright, so I just leave out a car beat and have a blouse and skirt walk. Where's the bus stop there again? Up there, so? Don't just say bus stop there. Go across the road and take a bus go Cancer Spring. Yeah, take a bus to Cancer Spring and go collect some things in the yard. One thing with me now, I come on the road, I don't hesitate, bro. Like, I just collect and go, bro. Plan what I need to do and just do it and go, bro. No hesitating. Yeah. So, different style vlog. We're not on a bike. We're up with 2 foot today. Oh, bad. We're up with 2 foot. And we're vlogging. We're vlogging like we're Americans and yo. Okay, guys, so just bear with me. I'm gonna take a bus. I don't know what kind of bus. Coaster bus, JTC bus. I don't really know. Any bus me get me take. You see me? Go to Cancer Spring and go collect some things. And then go to my yard. Yeah. Alright. So this road is Eastwood Park. Eastwood Park Road. How am I go cross? We'll take time out there. Oh, why that being bigger soon I come so? Yeah, they want to poof cock me. The one man has stop. Manners. Alright, so I'm catch on the back when we get a bus. Boy, a while ago. Yo, I'm not telling no lie. Every time I see a bike pass, I feel like, I don't know, I feel good and I feel bad in myself right now. So, should I me that? But, so it goes.
Chuki Beats.
Alright, so I come off up a blouse and skirt. What's the name again? Man Center. Yeah. So I go over, just park him around the mark there over there, so over to Shipwise. My goods. You see? Man Center. Alright, so come up here, top floor. Shipwise. Used to. Yo, that's my years, 7 years plus I ride bike. First.
Sit bike and walk it good. Take your bus.
Then I bus I think on car right now.
Yeah. How do you ride bike and the bike rides? beat me, but me not go too far.
Think don't go too far and don't go too far.
You see?
Yeah.
That means I'm like the far side.
Let's go. Alright guys, me just reached my yard. Me even did get for vlogging I bus and anything like I bus keep pack. But collect my Amazon packages 2 days so. 1 year so and see 1 year so. And see my bird them there. If you want to meet them, I don't name for them still. I don't really name my bird them. Well, I used to name them, but I don't name them again. Yeah. Reaching and thing guys. Me spend approximately me dep on the road from get a bus from after 2. And now 4:52. So I dep on the road for about 3 hours. Call it 3 hours. Run it up. Get a ride in our van but come round a while ago. Alright people, so you've seen me go for the packages, so I'm excited. I'm very excited right now. I know someone want to know where me collect. I'm very excited about these packages guys. Very excited. It's not anything much, but I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and unbox these packages. They all were ordered off Amazon. Let's see. Alright guys, so what is this? This is a GoPro mic adapter. See it here? Mic adapter. So I use this to communicate with you guys when I'm riding on the bike. The other one that I had, it broke up here so. Right here so. Up on metal part, it just broke. So I have to order one new one. So here it is. Even though I'm not gonna really do no motor vlogs for now, I'm still ordering one of this. It can hook up to this camera that I'm currently using, and I can get better audio by hooking up a microphone. Smell nice. So first thing is a GoPro mic adapter. Put that aside. So second thing now. Yo, Amazon do me bad, you know. Amazon could have sent this in another package here, but then I sent nothing by itself. Anyway, so this is a power bank. I always wanted back a power bank. I had one before, cause respond me that like go very often. So I always wanted a power bank so I can keep my stuff charged. So I finally bought a power bank again. See if I can open it. One on me I use guys, so bear with me. Whenever I feel excited to get new things, that's how I feel right now. Alright, so this is the power bank. I think it's 36,000 milliamp hours, if I'm not mistaken. Let's look at the back. Yes, see there. Let's see if I can see it good. So it's right here. 36,800 milliamp hours. So that's the size of the power bank. So 36,000 can charge my phone about 7 times, because my phone battery is like I think 3,000 milliamp hours. Yeah, so very excited about that. So we got a new power bank. It has lights there. Let's see if I know how to work this thing. So just power button there, push it down. There we go, we got the lights on. Hee. Nice. Let's actually see if it works. Hold on. So USB up here. Magic. All right, so we got the USB here. Let's plug it in. So it has 2 USB type A and a USB type C. So I could. All right, look at that. Take out that sound there. See that? Charging, guys. Awesome. So it's working. Next thing, this box. I don't know why it, you know. Just says home goods. Oh, me know I want know. Me know I want know, guys. So the reason why there's tape here as well is because customs check the packages. So once the packages reach in Jamaica, our customs agency has to check them to make sure that we're not bringing nothing illegal. You understand? So they check everything, every package they check, every one of them. You see me? This less material. These are bubble wraps. But look what they send in that big box here. Yo, seriously? Look what they send in the big box here. This and this. So this now is some ants. Whoa, that one look big. So this is some ant something. So me have a lot of sweet ants in the house, and them bite me up on them thing and them bite up things. So this now, I use this gel all the time. It's not expensive. I think it's like $1,200 feet. You see me? And me just squeeze it out, and the ants then gather to it and them carry back to them nests, and it kill them off after a while. This bad, me not like bad. This now is a helmet something. So I'm showing you how I do. Go on the wall like that. You see me? And me just put the helmet over it. So it can store my helmet them. You see it? And it look nice too. So I two of them in there. So yeah, excited about that. Alright, the big box now. The biggest box, should I say. Alright, I want to take a guess. Pause the video right now and take a guess. It says auto parts. See there? Auto parts. Pause the video right now and tell me what you think in that box here. Pause the video right now and tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah. Alright, when you're done type, good. Let's open the box. You know, some of you now pause the video and say nothing, you know. Now wait till the video done. You know, see how I ended, then you go comment and say, oh, we didn't know see this in the night. Ray. Think you're smart. What does this look like, guys? What does this look like? Some of you will get it right. Yes, it's a handlebar. You know, them pull it to see if any drugs in it, you know. That's how custom is, man. Whoa, this shit. Oh God, it looks good. Woo! Guys. Holy moly jolly. Look at that. Woo! Ooh. Ooh, it's pretty. Pro taper. Carmichael Pro taper, bro. Whoa. Oh my God. But guess what? My bike mash up. Came with some extra stuff that they don't sell out here. Like out here, yes, when you buy the handlebar, you just get the handlebar alone. The handlebar, yes, the price when I pay for the handlebar here. The price when I pay for the handlebar online, you would have pay for it out here and just get the handlebar alone. The price when I pay for this, you get the handlebar and this. Watch. Hey! Jeez! Look at that, guys. So you get the little foam thing. You push the handlebar through this, right? Like a foam thing. And look, you get these. These are the grips. Oh my God, look at them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sorry, me not no bite now. Well, at least the bite mash up. Me can't do nothing. And then you have the risers here, guys. So this is a full package. This is a full package handlebar. You see me? Full package. If anybody, a matter of fact, I go buy some. I go buy some more of this and actually give away. So you guys don't have to worry, man. You don't have to ask me if you buy nothing for no or no. You see me? If you want me buy it for you separately, then link me. But I go give away. I just buy one to see how it look. And I go start give them away, guys. Okay, guys, so very excited about everything that came today. Everything looks alright. Everything is really what I ordered. So that's the handlebar. And we got my little stuff over here. Yada yada yada. So now I see everything what I do. You see me? Guys, once again, tell me if you like this video. If you don't, tell me as well. I have to try to keep the channel active. I have a lot of old videos that I'm posting, guys. So a lot of you guys are watching the videos and now say, yo, Paradise the bike up again. Guys, those are old videos. I have to keep posting videos so that you guys can stay connected. Me don't want to just left the channel blank like that. You see me? So I'm going to continue post old videos. So it's old videos that I'm posting, guys. I am not out there riding at the moment. You see me? My foot still, oh, by the way, guys, my foot came out of the cast. As I mentioned, those who follow me on Instagram know this already. Instagram get the update instantly. But YouTube, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. My foot is out of the cast. I'm walking a little bit. I'm still using the crutch because the doctor themselves is continue use the crutch to move around. So me a limp same way. Me can't bend my toe. So that is that, guys. So if you like this style video, guys, let me know. Big up on yourself. You know, manners and respect. And yeah, Paradise Biker out.